Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is about these two gorgeous things right here. So I have the Violet box and the Lady Raga box and the Lady Raga bag for the month of February and the Violet box for the month of January and February because it comes out every 2 months. So yeah, we will be looking at them side by side and having loads of fun. So let's get started. Violet box and Lady Raga bag both are subscription boxes that gives you or makes you acquainted to a lot of skincare and makeup products that you might not have tried or you might not be thinking of trying, you might not be knowing about them. So any of the reasons might be applicable. So Violet box sent me this box last I think 2 weeks ago. I don't exactly remember. They sent me this box 2 weeks ago. So I thought I already subscribed to Lady Raga bag. Why not just do a side-by-side comparison of both of them? This month's Lady Raga bag came in this beautiful bag which has a zip at the back and it also has a zip inside it. It is actually a sling bag which is very good because it's really useful. You can just take it everywhere and anywhere. I think it is very useful. And the Violet box comes in this kind of a box which is very good to store your makeup or your skincare products or anything that you want to in your vanity. It's really handy. This month's box is curated by Bollywood singer Shruti Pathak. Violet box has a mission or a cause behind it. So every Violet box that is purchased helps in donating sanitary supplies to those in need. So yeah, just trying to put that up because if you want to donate something from your side, instead of searching for where to, you can just buy a Violet box and your bit is done. When I open the Violet box, I get this card which has pictures where they are donating the sanitary supplies, and then when I open it up, oh, it's very heavy actually, and when I open it up I have all those things right in there, and I see almost all of them are full size, which is a big yay because usually subscription boxes don't give you a lot of full size things because you know they usually give you deluxe or sample sizes, and when you get full size things like these, it's like really amazing. It's like party. And inside the Lady Raga bag I have few things there as well. I can see the bottles and a bracelet and a lot of other things. So I will first dig into the Violet box and then I'll dig into the Lady Raga bag. So the first thing that I see is this little cute pouch or purse or wallet, whatever it is. It has this manicure or pedicure kit which is really nice. It has 2 nail cutters, a scissor and tweezer and a lot of other things which is really handy. I really like this. I believe it retails for like normally 150 and above. So a good thing right in there. Next thing that I see is this little bottle right there, and it is the Wild Earth Signature Beauty Potion by Shabia Walia. It's a moisturizing almond and saffron body lotion. It has a beautiful fragrance to it, very mild, not overpowering. Really like this. This is a 35 ml bottle and it retails for 75 rupees. So I believe this is a sample size product maybe, and it is cruelty free. It is free from harmful chemicals. It is natural and it is eco-friendly. So the next thing that I see in here is like I wanted to try my hands on this brand for a really long time, and it's the Fuchsia, and it's their activated charcoal detoxifying face and body scrub with aloe vera, wheat germ oil, activated charcoal and olive oil. Seems like this is a full size bottle, and yeah, it is because it retails for 450 rupees. For how much grams of product this is? The weight I think is not given on it, maybe. Yeah. So this is 450 rupees. I really want to try out this brand because I've heard a lot of good things about Fuchsia. The next thing that I have is from the same brand, and it's a peppermint pedicure nourishing foot cream. This is 100 grams for 450 rupees. That is also 100 grams then for 450 rupees. And yeah, next thing that I have right in here is the lavender and calendula hydrating face gel. Oh wow, I've heard so many good things about this, and this also retails for 450 rupees, and this is how it looks like. The color is so beautiful. I really like the color of it. I'm really excited to try this out as well. And I have few more samples, and the next thing that I have is this Bedel hand sanitizer with citrus fragrance in it. I like citrus fragrance in my hand sanitizer. It just makes me feel that my hands are more cleaner. I don't know, it's just with me maybe. And the next thing that I have is again from Wild Earth, and it's a rose honey face and body wash. I really like the color of it, and I believe that this must be smelling amazing. Oh yes, it smells like roses. Last thing that I have in here is the EL Paris French Science nail polish, and this is how it looks like. It's beautiful, gorgeous red color. I really like the packaging. It's very sleek and nice. I really like the packaging of it, and this retails for 90 rupees. And the last thing that I have in the bag is this tea bag. It's from the Cambridge Tea Party, and it's their green tea, lime and lemongrass. I am not a tea person, but still good to have this as well. And that was all in the violet box. I really like the packaging of everything and how they have sent in the whole box. Like, it's totally worth it, worth the money, and those things are actually to pamper yourself. I really like the whole idea of it, and the best part is that you are getting full size of those products, so there is obviously value for money as well. Now I'll dig into my Lady Gaga bag and let's see what is in this bag as well. So the first thing is this Twak, I think that's the name, Twak multivitamin hair softening conditioner. It's for normal to dry hair. I so need this, but yeah. And the next, okay, so I have a card as well which has all the pricing as well for this. I think so. The price of this is not mentioned however on this, so yeah. The next thing I have is this Fuchsia Garden Lavender Day Cream, and this worth rupees 350, and I don't think this is a full size because, you know, it's tiny compared to those which were like 100 grams, and this is just 35 grams, I guess. This is how much is it? Oh yeah, this is just 30 grams and retails for 350 rupees. I'm not sure whether this is full size because compared to those this is quite small, so yeah. Next thing that I have is this bad boy right here. I've already got one handcuff which is very similar to this. I know it's really similar to what I got last time, so yeah. And next thing that I have is this Neemly Natural, what's this? Neemly Cuticle Nourishing Oil worth rupees 850. Wow, this is something nice. It's my cuticle needs all that pampering. And the last thing that I can see in here, like I can find in here, is this bad boy. This is Makeup Revolution's eyeshadow in the shade, what's the shade? Moon, you know you want it. I think that's the name. So it's a beautiful, gorgeous color. So you are getting makeup as well as skincare products as well as some jewelry in here. But Violet box was completely to pamper yourself. You get face gel, you get tea, you get nail paints, so just sit down, relax and pamper yourself. Yeah, that was all about this month's Lady Gaga bag and the Violet box. So I just wanted to make this video really short and just incorporate both of those in this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it and it was helpful to you, and if it was, then please give this video a big fat thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. I will see you in my next one. Till then, take care. Bye.